Hey everyone, welcome back to Get a Simple. Today, we're diving headfirst into the Amazon jungle. For those of you new to the game, Amazon FBA can be a fantastic way to build a business. Jungle Scout is like your personal Amazon Sherpa. It helps you research product opportunities, analyze competition, and estimate potential profits. Head over to the link in the description below to check out Jungle Scout. They offer a free trial, so you can explore its features before committing. Once you're signed up, you have two main options, the Chrome extension or the web app. Both are fantastic, and the choice depends on your workflow. The Chrome extension, Jungle Scout, integrates with Amazon to overlay key data on search results pages, providing estimated monthly sales, reviews, and competitor information. The web app allows users to search for products based on specific criteria like keywords, category, or estimated sales volume, as well as historical sales data, seasonal trends, and potential profit margins. This helps refine product research and identify hidden gems, making it a game changer for initial product research. I highly recommend you check it out using the free trial link in the description below. Remember, the right product research is crucial for success in the Amazon jungle. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, happy selling